Welcome to our video presentation about forest resources. Sa ating paglalakbay sa mundo ng kagubatan, ating tuklasin ang kahalagahan ng mga yamang gubat at ang papel na ginagampanan nito sa ating buhay.
From providing timber and fuel to supporting biodiversity and mitigating climate change, forest resources are vital to our planet's health and our own well-being. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the significance of forest resources in our lives.
Grabe, ang hirap ng topic natin sa environmental science. Forest resource? Ano ba yun? Ngunit na lang? Hindi lang po ang forest resources Sabi ni Sir, forests are like the lungs of the earth.
Like girl, without forest, wala tayong fresh air, foods, at maraming animals ang mawawala. Kaya, let's explore it in a fun way. Tara, trip tayo.
Uy, tara!
Go! Another day, another vlog. Hi guys! It's me, Leslie. And for today's video, mag-nature trip tayo. Say hi guys! Hi!
So, ayan na guys, palakad-lakad ng mga persons. Alam nyo ba that forest covers about 31% ng land area ng mundo? Dito, nanggagaling ang wood, medicine, food, at syempre, oxygen. Sa madaling salita, forest is life.
So, ganun na lang ba ang role ng forest, sir?
Forests give us oxygen to breathe,
Food to eat, and home for millions of species. Pero bakit lagi natin sinisira ang kagubatan? May iba't ibang type of forest, guys.
Tropical rainforest. Dito sobrang daming ulan at dito makikita ang pinakamagandang species ng plants and animal. It also produces about 20% ng oxygen ng mundo. At alam nyo ba kung gaano ka-importante ang tropical rainforest? Para yung jowa na hindi mo dapat pinapabayaan. Kasi kapag nawala, mahirap na ibalik.
Oh my God! Mangrove forest, ito naman ay nasa coastal areas. Proteksyon laban sa bagyo at storm surge. Mangrove roots prevent erosion. Sila yung mahawak sa lupa para hindi mawala. Mangroves are also home to many species like crab, fish, and birds. It also absorbs carbon dioxide. Sila yung naglilinis ng hangin natin. Sila ang tunay na bantay ng dalampasigan. Parang nanay lang na laging handang protektahan ka sa kahit anong bagyo ng buhay. Sana all may mangrove kasi ako kahit anong kapit, siya pa rin ang bumitaw.
Pine forest. Ito ay makikita sa mataas na lugar like Baguio. Favorite din ng tourists. At alam niyo ba that pine forest help regulate temperature and keep the air fresh? Sana all fresh o kasi kahit anong pabango hindi pa rin napansin. Maraming animals din na makikita dito like birds, squirrels, and deer. Plus, pine trees give timber and resin. Ginagamit sa construction at medicine.
So forests are not the same. Iba-iba pala sila, depende sa klima. Tumpak ka dyan, be.
guys, ano bang nakuha natin sa forest?
Paper,
Food,
oxygen din.
Tama! Forest resources give us timber, medicine, food, water, at ecosystem services. Tulad ng flood control at climate regulation. Kaya parang superhero ang forest.
Pero, may problema.
Deforestation destroyed 10 million hectares of forest every year. Imagine mo, parang nawawala ng isang football field ng forest kada segundo.
So, pag nawala ang forest, di mas nalalala ang climate change.
at bababa din ang biodiversity.
At kawawa ang mga future generations. So, anong pwede natin gawin?
Don't worry guys, we have a solution.
Number 1, tree planting and reforestation.
Number 2, reduce, reuse, recycle. Less waste is equal to less pet trees.
Number 3, support sustainable product. Yung hindi illegal laging ha.
At syempre, spread awareness kasi kahit isang simpleng information lang ay malaking tulong na. So, forests are not about life as well as environment.
Kaya, let's love our forest. Kasi pag wala sila,
Wala rin tayo!
Remember, forest is life. Protect it and it will protect us back.